Welcome back. Our bottle is really taking shape now, and in this lesson, we're going to be adding cosmetic ribs. I'm going to place cosmetic ribs on the front side of the bottle. Let's begin with a sketch. We'll insert it on the right plane. Right-click, Insert Sketch. Take a Normal to view, and Normal to again. Let's activate the Construction Line tool. Drop a few construction lines here. And one more. Right-click and select to close the tool. Let's select these two lines and delete them. Now Shift-select this point. Let's Shift-select the three bottom points of our lines and add a horizontal relation. Select all three lines, add an equal relation, and let's apply dimensions. 17 millimeter distance between the lines, and here as well. Now let's dimension the length of the lines. 120 millimeters, okay. This distance is going to be 25 millimeters. Next, let's activate the Offset Entities tool. Select all three lines. The offset distance, 3 millimeters. Tab to accept. The bidirectional and cap ends boxes are checked. Let's click OK. The sketch is fully defined, so let's exit. Go to the Surfaces tab. Activate the Offset Surface tool. And let's select this face. Offset distance 3 millimeters. Let's click OK. Now to the Features tab. Boss Extrude tool. Let's select the sketch we just created. Under End Condition, up to Surface. And let's select our surface. Click OK. Let's right-click and hide Surface Offset 1 now. And let's apply a fillet to our rib. It'll be a 4 millimeter fillet. We'll select these three edges and click OK. Let's apply a second fillet now. Also 4 millimeters. Select these edges. And last one here. And let's accept. You might be wondering why I didn't combine these two fillets into one feature. There is a reason for this. It would have created an error message. Now the good news is that if you'd happened to have done it this way, created both of these fillets in one feature, Solidworks would have helped you fix the problem. Solidworks would have asked you if you wanted to use the Feature Expert to resolve the feature, and Solidworks would have solved the problem for you. Let's take a moment to check out how this works. I'm going to right-click and suppress these two fillets. Now let's activate the Fillet tool. We'll select this edge and this edge. Solidworks processes our request. As you see, we don't have a preview, always an indication of a problem. We click OK. And the What's Wrong window appears. It explains what the trouble is. The radius is too large. We have the option to click on the Feature Expert. Ooh, how nice. Feature Expert has resolved all it can and is finishing up. Let's take a moment to see how Solidworks has resolved this problem for us. We've got two new fillets. Let's check them out. 4 millimeters in radius. Cancel out. Let's check the other one. Also 4 millimeters in radius, just as our two original fillets were. Let's hide these fillets. And let's restore our original fillets. Unsuppress. And this concludes our lesson about adding cosmetic ribs to our bottle.